Every business needs to manage its relationships with customers and suppliers effectively. Our automated CRM module is designed to foster stronger business relationships. It facilitates effective lead management, efficient contact management, and enhanced data analysis and reporting. The CRM module provides a public form to capture basic lead details. This form can be posted on your website or landing page as well. Anyone, including the leads themselves, can fill in the information here. Once submitted, the system generates an automated task for the sales team, notifying them of a new lead. The assigned sales team member can review all details and start nurturing the lead by establishing initial contact. With just a click, the lead can be converted into an opportunity, an account, and a contact. Each opportunity is managed meticulously, with an opportunity manager, estimated value, success probability, and recording of the state of progress. An account holds all essential company details like the website address, ABN, ACN, customer or supplier status, and the assigned account manager. The contacts table is a central database for all organizational contacts, capturing crucial information like account, role, and contact details of customers and suppliers. The CRM module also features intuitive reporting, offering visibility on the opportunity pipeline and salesperson performance. Access the CRM module from the sidebar. Refer to the relevant guide to unlock its full potential and enhance your organization's professional success and relationships.